Hi, today I want to show you how to mix Huel, a nutritional complete food, or as I call it, the feed for busy life. First thing is, let's read the get started instructions. So it says, I need 1 scoop equivalent to a bag of chips, 2 scoops it's a snack, or 3 scoops it's a sandwich or a complete meal. So usually I go for 2 scoops every day in a workday to replace one of my 2 lunches. And the instruction says to prepare the Huel. So I will need to have an extensive knowledge of nutrition and food technology, a large fully equipped kitchen, and 1 full day for prep, 3.5 hours for mixing, and a mere half day for the cleanup operation. Well, actually no. So let me show you how exactly to do it. First, we get to the bottle. So this is a bottle that comes with my first order. Then let me pull out my water pitcher. Pour in to the middle at the 400 milliliters line. That's it. That's 400 of water, cold water. Yes, you don't want to use a hot one. Then open up my bag and scoop it out. That's 1 scoop. And that's another one. That's my 2 scoops, equal to a protein bar. That's 333 calories. Now let's put the big bag away. And then close the bottle. They call it the shaker. Well, you are supposed to shake this for 20 seconds, but I prefer to do it this way. A little more workout, huh? That's it. Now open up the top and fill the water all the way. You can use milk. Sometimes I do, but usually I don't. I only want 333 calories. That's it. It's ready to use. I can put in my backpack, or I can put it in the fridge to make it cool further. Thank you for watching.